what we were going to do today, which is how we solve equations using multiple steps. So today and tomorrow, our goal is to use the operations of multiplication and division. So we have the property of equality, which says if an equation is true and each side is multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number, then the resulting equation is equivalent. So we talked about this a lot. Equivalent equations can be added as long as you add on the left and right, subtracted as long as you subtract on left and right, multiplied or divided, again, as long as you equally do the same thing to the left as you do to the right. I always talk, it's about balancing the scale. You got to balance your scale. If you're an athlete, you don't just want to lift on one side of your body, you lift on both. So you're not just going to do arm workouts with your right arm, you're going to do them with your right and your left. Same in math. We're going to do the right and the left. So we have 2/3 Q equals 1/2. 2/3 Q equals 1/2. We're going to get Q by itself by multiplying. What? By multiplying. I swear I heard somebody. Alright, so do you remember when we talked about the word reciprocal? Reciprocal. So what's the reciprocal of 2/3? Luke? Perfect. So we're going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 2/3. So that's called the multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse gives you 1. So we get Q equals, and when you multiply two fractions together, Sierra? I got 3/4 also. So what you do is you multiply the top two numbers and you multiply the bottom two numbers. So you multiply across. You multiply across. All right. What is the reciprocal of 3/5, Colton? What's the reciprocal of 3/5? Excellent. So we multiply both sides by 5/3. Okay, and what is 6 times 5/3, Tony? A little bigger than 25. 6 times 5 is a little bigger. It is. Yeah. Exactly. You get 30 over 3, which simplifies to 10. Okay, negative 1/4 equals 2b over 3. Nick, what do you think we're going to do? So, I kind of set you up in this one to be a trick, right? Is there a variable with the 1/4? No. So this problem, you could rewrite it using our reflexive property. To be 2b thirds equals negative 1/4. So that's the reflexive property. So I don't want to use the 1/4 because there's no variable with it. What do I want to multiply by, Sierra? Perfect. So you got to be careful to pay attention to which side the variable is on. So my variable is isolated. Okay, Abby, what's negative 1/4 times 3/2? Negative what, honey? Oh, you put me in a decimal. 0.15. So, Abby, go ahead, help me multiply here. What's negative 1 times negative 3? Or times positive 3, sorry. Perfect. And then we multiply the bottom. So what's 4 times 2? Excellent. So our answer is negative 3/8, which you made me question my decimal dividing, which is negative 0.375.
Comfortable with multiplying fractions?
That's why I picked them. Nobody likes fractions.
Nope.
All right, and then the opposite of using the multiplicative reciprocals is to do what? What are we going to do in that problem, Dominique? Yeah, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to divide by negative 39. So the opposite of multiplication is division. What's up, Logan? Did you just tell me it's snowing?
No, he has the answer.
Oh, yeah, I said what's up.
It's 1.
Oh, it's 1. It's not 1.
Negative 1.
Negative 1.
I know it has to be some form of 1 because you're dividing something by itself.
Exactly. Okay, negative 75 equals negative 15. Madison? Excellent. And a negative divided by a negative becomes a... Sierra? Yeah, positive what? All right, Landon, I haven't heard you all day today. What do I do in this problem? By? Excellent. Anybody else I haven't? Oh, Nevaeh. Yeah. What's 36 divided by negative 12? Excellent. Colton fall asleep on me?
No. Close, though.
Keep that head up. All right, guys.